Hello, home bosses. So we're now in the final couple of days of the Cut and Paste Worksheets generator launch. The cart closes tomorrow night, 4th of May at midnight Eastern Time. And today I just want to talk to you about the bonuses I'm offering when you buy through my link. I'll go through each one, what's inside, and why I think they really help you make the most of the app. Let's get into it. Before I go into each bonus, I want to share why I picked these three specifically. The app is a fantastic tool. It helps you create cut and paste activity books quickly and to a really professional standard. But the app does one thing: it helps you make the books. What it doesn't do is help you sell them. That's the gap I wanted to fill with my bonuses. Each one is designed to help you with a different part of the selling process, so you're not just left with a book and no idea what to do next. All three are my own courses created by me, and they're the same courses I sell on my website. Right, let's go through them. The first bonus is promoting your books with confidence. Everyone who buys through my link gets this one, no matter which upgrade you choose. This is a mini course I created to help self-publishers actually market their books without feeling pushy or salesy. Here's what's inside. You get a 7-day social media planner. It's a simple plan you can follow that tells you what to post each day for a week, so you don't have to think about it. You get a Claude prompt library. These are prompts you can copy and paste into Claude or any other AI tool to help you write captions, ads, and book descriptions. Really useful if you struggle with knowing what to write. You get video lessons on how to talk about your books with confidence, and this is for anyone who feels shy about promoting their own work, which is most self-publishers I know, me included. And you get ready-to-use templates for Facebook posts, Reels, and book launches. So when you publish your first cut and paste book, you'll know exactly how to share it. Why does this matter? Because most self-publishers create their books and then go silent. They wait for sales to come, and when they don't, they feel disappointed. This bonus stops that from happening. It gives you a simple plan to actually get your books in front of people. The second bonus is the Amazon listing system. You get this one if you buy the front end plus the Pro upgrade, or if you go for the full funnel. This is my course on how to get your books seen on Amazon. Here's the thing most self-publishers don't realize. The way Amazon decides which books to show to buyers depends on three things: your keywords, your categories, and how well your listing is written. Most self-publishers in the cut and paste niche don't bother optimizing any of these. So if you can do this even moderately well, you're ahead of most of your competition. The Amazon listing system walks you through finding the keywords parents actually use to search for activity books. It shows you how to pick the right categories so your book shows up in the right searches. And it teaches you how to write a listing that gets parents to click buy. Why does this matter? Because publishing without optimizing is like opening a shop and forgetting to put up a sign. Your book might be excellent, but no one will find it. This bonus makes sure people find your books. The third bonus is the children's book marketing course. This is one of my flagship courses, and you get it if you buy the full funnel. This course is much bigger than the other two courses. It walks you through a complete marketing system for children's books. It covers everything from before you publish your book to launch day to keeping your book selling for the long term. Inside the course, you'll learn how to find your target audience and understand what they want, run a proper pre-launch with ARC readers, email building and promotional materials, optimize your Amazon listing and create a real launch day buzz, keep your book selling long after launch through social media and reviews. It helps you pick the right platform for your audience, whether that's Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, TikTok, or Goodreads. And it uses advanced strategies like in-person selling, working with influencers, and even partnerships with school and librarians. So even though this is for children's books, it's actually the same principles that apply to activity books or to educational books. And why does this matter? Because if you're serious about building a publishing business, you need a proper marketing foundation. Most self-publishers just publish a book and hope. This course teaches you how to build something sustainable. And a lot of the lessons from the course apply directly to cut and paste activity books because the buyer is the same, parents looking for engaging educational content for their children. So there you have it, 3 bonuses. All 3 are my own courses and each one fills a different gap. Promoting your books with confidence helps you actually talk about your books once they are published. The Amazon listing system helps people find your books when they search on Amazon. And the Children's Book Marketing course gives you a complete marketing system for the long term. The total bonus value is $241 if you go for the full funnel, or $94 if you grab the front end plus pro, or just promoting your books with confidence at $47 if you go for the front end on its own. So the launch closes tomorrow night at midnight Eastern Time, and after that the prices go up across the board. But my bonuses stay available, so even if you decide to buy later, you'll still get them when you buy through my link. But remember that the prices are the lowest they're going to be ever during the launch, so now is a good time to buy if you're interested. The links are all in the description below, and if you've got any questions about anything, just leave a comment below this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.